It's going to be difficult for you to see easily from this side here, so watch out.
Okay. Oof. I've been able to warm this boy up. Alrighty. It's time to go. Oof. My windows are still frozen. God, please go with me. Drive between roads. Take the way.